Hello, hello, and welcome to the Millie Life. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so excited that you guys are here. If you're new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss out. If you want more of the Millie Life, you can follow us on all the social medias at the Millie Life, all one word. Don't put those spaces in there. I've got all my gear in the link below. If you want a Millie Life sticker, t-shirt, sweatshirt, check it out there. Love to see you guys rocking some of that gear. I also have all my recording gear and riding gear listed below. I don't list anything that I don't use and love. Check it out. Today we are going to be talking about how to take your coffee on a motorcycle for under $15. Let's go. I kind of discovered this, I did discover this summer. I had an early client at the rink, but it was nice out in the mornings and I wanted to take my bike and I still wanted to take my coffee because that is a necessity in the morning for sure. I don't have a cup holder. Woo! It is cold once you get moving. I was like, all right, I want to bring my coffee. What can I use? And being a parent, I have lots and lots of toddler cups. And one of them is a no spill sippy cup. I'm like, all right, I've got my backpack. I can put this sippy cup in that. And there's a way that you can configure the stopper on it. So you just flip it around so that nothing can come out the two holes. So it's like completely sealed. I put my coffee in there one morning, sealed it all up, put it in my backpack in the cup holder, and I drove, 20-25 minutes into a client's and no spills. It was still hot and it was like the perfect amount of coffee. It wasn't like this big thermos or anything like that. These are for under $15. You may already have them at home if you have kids, maybe not. They're awesome. They're made out of recycled material, which yay for the planet. Mateo uses them for his milk and I use them for carrying my coffee to work on the motorcycle. And I know you can get cup holders for the bike, but those are kind of on the spendier side, like I think like 60 to 80 bucks. So this works just fine for now. I don't do it enough where I need it. They're under 15 bucks. I'll put the link to them below to Amazon. It'll be a set of 2, but you can get more than that as well. And it's under $15. It's a pretty good deal. What about you guys in the morning? What do you guys drink? Are you coffee drinkers? Are you tea drinkers? Diet Coke? I know that was a very popular one for a while. I could never do soda in the morning. I don't know. Just could not do it. But I've had clients in the past, people in my family that are like addicted to Diet Coke and drinking that. So I definitely know that is an option for the mornings for some people, for a little pick-me-up. But what about you guys? What do you drink? I am a coffee drinker. We have a espresso machine that you just hit the buttons and it makes a cappuccino, a latte, regular coffee, an Americano, which I don't really know what that is. Do hot water for teas or whatever, and then just regular coffee. So super nice. So usually do cappuccino, put some caramel in it, delicious. But one of those fit in the little sippy cups. And again, I'll link those below for you guys. I haven't been drinking as much coffee lately because anxiety and coffee sometimes don't mix. So I'm hoping to reintroduce that back into my mornings as my medication sets in a little bit more. But I love a good cup of coffee. Normally I'll drink 2 cups and then I cannot have it after 3 p.m. That's the cutoff. If I have coffee after 3 p.m., I am not sleeping that night. It just keeps me awake. I know there's people that can drink it with after dinner and before bed and not have any issue with it, but for me, it keeps me up. When I was little, one of my favorite ice creams was coffee chip. I had some problems sleeping. I was such a worrywart as a kid, and maybe this is what's going on with Mateo, but I always thought that somebody was gonna sneak into my window and kidnap me at night. I watched a lot of those CSI, Law and Order shows with my dad, which in hindsight probably was not a good thing for me. I would get really freaked out, but I would also have trouble falling asleep, and I think part of it was the coffee ice cream. I don't know if coffee ice cream really has caffeine in it. I would think it does because there's coffee in it, but I don't know. I do like decaf coffee too. I do enjoy the taste of coffee. I'll only do tea if I'm like got a scratchy throat or feeling sick. It's not really something I grew up with. I don't really love the taste of tea. Do enjoy the taste of coffee. I started drinking coffee in college. Staying up late nights, writing papers, waiting to the last minute on a group project. Would drink coffee. 5-hour energy was a big thing for a while. I never drank it in like high school or anything like that. This car is like hiding in the woods. Kind of weird. Oh no, it's the road. Weird. I never drank it in high school or earlier. I know some families introduce coffee at a really young age. I cannot imagine Mateo on coffee. That boy has so much energy, like he would be bouncing off the walls. What about you guys? What's your drink of choice? Do you have a good method for taking the coffee with you on the bike? Like I said, those cups are under $15 and you can get them at the link below. Check that out and let me know what you guys think. It has been very successful for me with getting my coffee where I needed to go and ride my motorcycle. What a great combination. Love it. Leave it in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. Such an awesome community, and I am so grateful for everyone who has subscribed to the channel and comments and interacts and watches. It has been such a cool experience. Let's see, is there anything else I want to say on coffee? And I will drink all types of coffee. Like I used to just like in my apartment right after I got divorced, I just had like a black coffee, like a like your traditional coffee pot. And then I also had like a French press, and I loved both of those. And then when me and Matt moved in together, we decided to invest in a cappuccino machine. Definitely saves a ton of money on coffee, especially Matt. He like gets up so freaking early. He's up at 4 a.m. every day, sometimes earlier. Having that at home is nice, but we still go out and get coffee every now and then. My favorite place is Hidden Jewels, and they've got coffee, Wild Barrel, something barrel, coffee brew, Rifle Barrel Coffee Brewing. Oh gosh, it's something. I'll look it up. Really cool logo and really like distinct tasting beans. Like they are good. As you guys know, Matt's from Minnesota and home of Caribou Coffee, which is fantastic. We switch up between the one, which I can't remember the name of right now, and Caribou. Caribou is just like a lot smoother and a lot less harsh than Starbucks, at least in my opinion. What about you guys? Do you have go-tos? What's your drink? Just black coffee? I'm like a latte kind of person. Definitely love a mocha, or I'll just do black coffee with cream and 2 sugars. It's gotta be like that caramel color, you know? If I really needed to, I could do black coffee, but just wouldn't be as enjoyable as the others, for sure. Go check out those cups if you want an easy way to carry coffee with you in the mornings on the motorcycle. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You freaking rock. Until next time, my name's Danielle. This is the Millie Life, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.